FACEIT update error. FACEIT client has encountered an error while trying to update. If you continue to see this message, please contact support. Fix 1. Open Task Manager. Find all FACEIT and FACEIT anti-cheat process and select End Task. Fix 2. Right-click your FACEIT shortcut and choose Run as Administrator to grant file permission. Fix 3. Clear cache. Open run window, type percentage local app data percentage, then click OK. Then find and delete the FACEIT folder. If you saw folder in use window or message, then do the following step. Open Task Manager, find all FACEIT process and select End Task. Now try again. Same folder in use message is showing. So open Task Manager, find other opened program and select End Task. Terminate all the other opened programs and then click try again deleting the folder. Close the task manager and try deleting the folder. Now folder has been successfully deleted. Open run window, type percentage app data percentage, click OK, then find and delete the FACEIT folder. Fix 4. Uninstall FACEIT from the control panel, then restart your computer. Download a fresh installer from the FACEIT website and install it again. Fix 5. Temporarily turn off your third-party antivirus or Windows firewall if they are blocking the download files. Subscribe.